Hi, welcome to Unboxing with IPJ. Today we're going to unbox the Shokz OPENDOTS ONE, which is an open-ear true wireless earbuds. And okay, we're going to open this one up and also try it to see if it's worth the price and also the quality. Ayun. So, as you can see nga, it is an open-ear true wireless earbuds. It has Dolby audio and has a 2-year warranty. And as of now, since in this world of wireless, we really need to have a reliable wireless earbuds or devices so we could connect to our phones, to other devices, so we could enjoy the best audio quality there is. As you can see, with this box, it's really simple, but of course, it's really practical. So, yan, we're gonna open this one up first to see what's inside. Or shocks refers to something like vibration and something like audio. So, I think this would be a perfect fit for a brand name. Ayan. It's actually my first time to have this brand on my roster. And as you can see, so we have the device here. It shows how to put on the earbuds. Ayan. So, ayun pala. You can do the functions with a single finger tap, also with the 2-finger pitch, which we will try out later on. So first of all, we'll just unbox what's the content of the box first before we try it out. So lagay natin dyan. So we have the shocks here, I believe. Ayan. So of course, you have the warranty card, of course, some information about the device, and the user guide na you can just slip it out. Ayan. Siyempre, because I believe this would be my first type of earbuds of this type. There are so many expectations and parang I have to check it out. Ano pa yung other features why this one is more preferred compared to other earbuds. You have the user guide over here, which is in English, Japanese, and Korean. Actually, it's good that we have visuals in the manual itself kasi sometimes kahit sabihin mo you know how to read, but of course, sometimes we're also a visual learner. This will be just some additional paperwork for maintenance and other things that you need to do so you can take care of the device. In the box, of course, we have, I believe it's the charging cable, which is a USB Type-C to Type-C. So you can just charge it directly. I believe you can charge it from a device like your phone, then direct from a USB Type C phone, it into the device. There's also power banks that has a USB Type C for output, so you can direct that to the Shokz OPENDOTS ONE. Ayan. Yan. Buksan natin first so we can see what's inside. Ah, yes. The peel is so satisfying. Similar to their usual wireless earplugs or wireless earbuds, there's this color difference between the top, the cover, and also the main body. Kasi yan, it's shiny tas magiging matte here. The moment you shoot, buksan natin. Ayan. So, actually nga, it looks premium. From the moment I opened this one, it really looks premium. You see, nag-blink siya. I believe it's trying to pair with another device kasi ang daming device natin dito. Let's just get one here. And as you can see, dahil nga iniipit siya sa ear. As shown in the illustration. Yan. You have to put it inside your ear and the other one is clipped onto your ear. So if you need to listen to other sounds outside, kailangan na para medyo may konting ano rin. But definitely, kahit ganun yung situation, you would really appreciate having this one on your ears while walking, while doing some tasks, because That's a function, or that's the reason why these earbuds were made. And from what I see, actually, pwede rin siya interchangeable. Kasi, it doesn't have the L or R indicator. But you could, kasi reversible naman eh. Kasi, even if you put it here, pwede rin siyang left. Tapos ito, pwede siyang right. Kaya siguro hindi siya nilagyan ng indicator na left or right. Kasi, you could put them in either ear. So, it lessens the confusion of putting these earbuds on the wrong ear. Ayun nga, I guess it also helps because so it's more easier to put kasi yun nga, uh, if you put it in the case, check mo lang yung charging pin, yan, and there you go. With this one, of course, we have yun nga, yung pairing button that we usually have for earbuds. We'll pair this one up with one of my phones here. It's now time to pair this one up with one of my devices here. So I have my phone, and we'll open up the Shokz OPENDOTS ONE. Let's go to the Bluetooth. And yun since first pairing niya, we have to push this one para mag-search siya. Ayan. As you can see, if it's blinking, it's now searching. And on my device, it's OPENDOTS ONE by Shokz. Click on that. Share request. Yan, prepare natin. And it's now paired. So, let's put it in my ear so I could see and experience the quality of the OPENDOTS ONE. Okay, so I have the OPENDOTS ONE here. So, we're gonna put it in my ear. Kaya, based on the instructions or the illustration here, we're gonna put this ball part inside my ear and the other one outside. Ayan. Ayun. So, once I put it on, maririnig ko na para merong chime, din, ganon. Meaning that it's now fitted on my ear. So, I'll put the other one again. Ayan, narinig ko na siya. And as you can see, it looks fashionable actually. Ang ano niya ang hindi siya ganun ka-hassle, and also it looks good on any skin color, and also it looks really fancy. I have it paired on my phone, so I'll now try to play some songs, or let's say parang YouTube, so we can see the sound quality of these earbuds. I have here my device now connected to the OPENDOTS ONE. Let's play some Taylor Swift. Ayan. Ayun. Wow. So, yan na, nagpa-play siya. So, well, ads pa lang yan. Pero, I can actually hear ang ganda ng bass, and also yung comfort na hindi ka parang hindi ka pressured to to listen, ipasok mo yung earbuds just to hear a good bass of the music. And it's comfortable, so I think hindi mangala yung tenga ko. And ayun nga, sarap nga eh. I'm driving right now. Syempre hindi ko dahil copyright, but as you can see, my ear is really enjoying this one. Definitely something na hindi ako And also, I think if I'm jogging right now or doing some physical activities, it won't fall off because it's really hooked on your ear na hindi naman sobrang ipit. So definitely comfortable with the quality, the bass of a really good earbud. Ayan. Ayan. The sun open light. What? Ayun, mamaya na tayo So, ano ko muna. So, we can continue on with our unboxing and first experience. So, yun na nga. As you can see, hindi siya matatanggal agad. Ayan. Hindi, ganyan ko. Ayan. Really, really sturdy. Perfect for those, for runners, for those who are doing physical activity, doing the gym, etc. Ang galing. Nakakatuwa. So, ayun. Hats off. And also, Again, seeing this, that it doesn't really have to be left or right based on the indicator. Madali mo siyang kunin, ilalagay mo lang siya sa ano na hindi mo iniisip kung left ba or right ba yung nilalagay ko. Basta makita mo yung ano, yung, ayan. Everything is now snuggled in this case. And then as you can see, really, really compact. You can do it, you can take it anywhere. And I believe it has a long battery life that we will try to, yun nga, try it out more kasi kaka-unbox na natin. I'll probably give more insights really soon on the experiences of the Shokz Open Dots One. Ayun. So, let's go flip the camera back to our unboxing table. Okay, so we're now back with, again, the unboxing table showing you the functions of the Shokz Open Dots One. And, ayun nga, as you can see, yun na nga ano. Now, for the price reveal, the Shokz Open Dots One is available for 11,990 pesos. And I would say it's really worth the amount kasi nga you get quality sound, you get quality comfort, and also yung features na that you could see in other high-end earbuds, it's all here. You can really use this in all of your devices. So you could really enjoy the sound quality and also the comfort of having an earbuds that you could just put on your ear na hindi siya mangangalay. And yun ang sa tingin ko, what makes the Shokz Open Dots One a really good buy for anyone who wants to have a quality earbud. So there you have it with the Shokz Open Dots One. Thank you for watching, and if you have questions or you have any comments regarding about the device, just put it in the comments and we'll discuss that soon, or probably make another video if we have enough questions that we need to answer about this device. Okay, so again, this has been Unboxing with FPJ. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Get Shokz.